Cryptocurrency. It's the future of money, right? Everyone's talking about it. From social media influencers to financial news networks, the buzz is everywhere. Your friend from high school brags about their Dogecoin profits. They make it sound so easy, like anyone can just jump in and start making money. You hear stories of overnight millionaires, people who invested a few dollars and woke up to find themselves rich beyond their wildest dreams. You're ready to jump in, but then doubt creeps in. You start to wonder if it's too good to be true. Where do you even start? The world of cryptocurrency is vast and complex. There are so many coins, so much information, and so much noise. You try to pick a winner, but it feels like gambling. The market is so volatile, and it's hard to know which coin will succeed and which will fail. You buy high, sell low, and watch your investment dreams fade away. We've all been there. The fear of missing out can lead to hasty decisions. The crypto market is volatile. Information overload is real. It's easy to get caught up in the hype and make costly mistakes. And it's easy to make costly mistakes. One wrong move can wipe out your savings. The stakes are high and the pressure can be intense. But what if there was a better way? What if you could navigate the world of cryptocurrency with confidence and clarity? Stay tuned, because we're about to explore how you can do just that. Imagine having a personal crypto advisor available 24/7, someone who never sleeps, never takes a break, and is always ready to provide you with the latest insights and advice on your investments. This advisor can help you navigate the volatile and often confusing world of cryptocurrency with ease and confidence. Someone to analyze market trends, identify promising projects, and alert you to potential risks before they become problems. This advisor would be able to sift through mountains of data, picking out the most relevant information to help you make informed decisions and guide your investment decisions. Sounds expensive, right? You might think that such a service would cost a fortune, and traditionally, it would. Hiring a human advisor with this level of expertise would be out of reach for most people. Well, meet ChatGPT, your new AI-powered crypto expert, and it's free. ChatGPT leverages the power of artificial intelligence to provide you with the same level of insight and advice that you would expect from a top-tier human advisor, but without the hefty price tag. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can process vast amounts of data, understand complex concepts, and provide you with clear, actionable advice. It can help you stay ahead of the curve by constantly monitoring the market and alerting you to new opportunities as they arise, and even generate human-quality text. This means that the advice and insights you receive from ChatGPT are not only accurate but also easy to understand and implement. You don't need to be a financial expert to benefit from its capabilities. In simple terms, it's like having a super smart crypto buddy who's always up to date on the latest market moves. This buddy can help you make sense of the complex world of cryptocurrency, providing you with the information you need to make smart investment choices. No more sifting through endless Reddit threads or relying on questionable Telegram groups. With ChatGPT, you have a reliable source of information that you can trust. It cuts through the noise and delivers the insights that matter most to you. ChatGPT can analyze market data, research projects, and provide you with a comprehensive overview of the crypto landscape. It can help you identify trends, spot potential opportunities, and avoid common pitfalls, and provide insights tailored to your investment goals. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, ChatGPT can help you develop a strategy that aligns with your financial objectives and risk tolerance. It's like having a crystal ball, but powered by AI. With ChatGPT, you can make informed decisions with confidence, knowing that you have a powerful tool at your disposal to help you navigate the ever-changing world of cryptocurrency. Okay, ChatGPT sounds cool, but how do you actually use it to make money? This is a question many people have when they first hear about this powerful AI tool. The answer lies in how you interact with it. The key to unlocking its potential is all about the prompts you use. It's all about the prompts. These are the specific instructions you give to ChatGPT to get the information you need. Think of prompts as the questions or commands you input to guide the AI in generating useful responses. The more precise and well thought out your prompts are, the better the output you will receive. Think of prompts as specific instructions you give to ChatGPT to get the information you need. For instance, if you're looking to identify promising new projects in the cryptocurrency space, you need to ask the right questions. Want to identify promising new projects? You can ask ChatGPT to list the top 5 low-cap cryptocurrencies with strong community engagement and innovative use cases. This way you get a curated list of potential investment opportunities without having to sift through endless information yourself. Ask ChatGPT, what are the top 5 low-cap cryptocurrencies with strong community engagement and innovative use cases? This prompt will help you zero in on projects that have the potential to grow, based on community support and unique applications. Need help analyzing a specific coin? ChatGPT can assist with that too. By asking for a SWOT analysis, you can get a detailed breakdown of the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats associated with a particular cryptocurrency. Try this prompt. Provide a SWOT analysis of coin name, including potential risks and opportunities. This will give you a comprehensive view of the coin's potential and help you make informed decisions. ChatGPT can even generate trading strategies. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner, having a well-thought-out strategy is crucial for success in the volatile world of cryptocurrency trading. Ask, what is a dollar-cost averaging strategy for investing in Bitcoin over the next 12 months? The possibilities are endless. This prompt will help you understand how to invest in Bitcoin gradually, reducing the impact of market volatility. By crafting effective prompts, you can unlock ChatGPT's potential and gain a serious edge in the crypto market. The more you experiment with different prompts, the better you'll become at extracting valuable insights. So start exploring and see how ChatGPT can transform your approach to cryptocurrency investing. The crypto world is full of pitfalls. Scams, rug pulls, and FOMO, fear of missing out, can quickly drain your funds. Luckily, ChatGPT can be your shield against these dangers. Worried about a project's legitimacy? Ask ChatGPT to analyze its white paper. Identify any red flags or potential risks in the white paper for project name. Unsure about the team behind a coin? ChatGPT can help. Research the team behind coin name and provide information on their experience and credibility. Remember, knowledge is power in the crypto space. By leveraging ChatGPT's analytical capabilities, you can make more informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Real people are already using ChatGPT to crush the crypto game. Take Sarah, a single mom who turned $500 into $10,000 using ChatGPT to identify and invest in undervalued altcoins. Or John, a retired teacher who's now generating passive income by following ChatGPT's trading strategies. These stories aren't just lucky breaks, they're the result of leveraging AI to make smarter, data-driven decisions. And with ChatGPT, you can achieve similar success, regardless of your experience level. Section 6, ChatGPT, your crypto co-pilot, not the autopilot. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's essential to remember it's not a magic money printing machine. It's your crypto co-pilot, providing valuable insights and guidance, but you're still the one in the driver's seat. Never blindly follow any advice, even from AI. Always do your own research, understand the risks involved, and invest only what you can afford to lose. ChatGPT is a tool to enhance your decision-making, not replace it. Section 7, level up your crypto game, mastering ChatGPT prompts. The key to unlocking ChatGPT's full potential lies in mastering the art of prompt engineering. The more specific and well-defined your prompts, the more accurate and relevant the results. Experiment with different prompt structures, keywords, and data points. Join online communities and forums to learn from other ChatGPT crypto enthusiasts. The more you refine your prompts, the better your results will be. Section 8. The future of crypto investing. AI is your ally. The world of finance is rapidly evolving and AI is at the forefront of this transformation. ChatGPT is just one example of how AI is democratizing access to information and empowering individuals to make smarter financial decisions. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated tools and strategies to emerge, further leveling the playing field for crypto investors of all levels. Section 9. Join the ChatGPT crypto revolution. Your journey starts now. The future of crypto investing is here, and it's powered by AI. With ChatGPT as your guide, you can navigate the complex world of cryptocurrency with confidence and potentially unlock life-changing financial opportunities. Don't wait on the sidelines while others reap the rewards. Start exploring ChatGPT today, experiment with different prompts, and join the growing community of AI-powered crypto investors. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.